Hi, this is Baman Irani,
Hello, I'm Veer Das.
and you're watching
Bollywood Hangama.
We have a bit of a quiz.
Okay.
Okay, it's called What Would Santa and Banta Do in the Following Situations?
Okay.
And any one of you can actually win something.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what are you playing for? I'll just show it to you what you're playing for.
A cardboard bag. I've always wanted a cardboard bag.
Cardboard bag.
Huh.
Okay, so this is a headphone that you're playing
Array,
for.
lovely.
Okay,
Wow.
so
Thank you very, very much.
you can have this.
Beats by Bollywood Hangama. Achha, I'll take the bag. I'm more excited about that.
So, sir, we would want you to literally just
We're
sweat
going
it
to
up.
have a competition.
I doubt
I
it.
think that's not fair to him. You have a lottery or a raffle, he might win. Competition.
No,
चुपचाप
no,
अंडरडॉग बैठा है,
no.
लेकिन रेस तो भागनी है. चलो.
Okay, so now I'll ask you a few questions and you have to just react, and whoever is the most wackiest and irreverent, so
Yeah.
the prize will be going to that, and I'll be deciding it.
But Santa first, Banta second. Na age before beauty. So
We'll start with since
I love the originality
since
of
you
it.
said that the age we have to start with the aged one, so we'll have to
Acha,
start
acha.
with you.
Acha.
For Veer Das, and we'll do it like alternate. Veer Das, you meet a girl in the bar, she's impressed with you and tells you कल घर पे 2 बजे आ जाओ, तब घर पे कोई नहीं होगा. Your reaction like that
I
is
think
Banta's reaction.
Banta's reaction would be how many aloo ka parathas will you have in the house? Because I think the only thing he's ever had with a girl is had a meal with a girl. His concept of प्यार is very very innocent. So अगर कोई नहीं होगा तो सारे पराठे हम खा लेंगे घर में. That's Banta's concept of love.
Same question, right?
No.
I like the question very much.
Santa, for you, a girl sends you "Miss you Janu" message on your phone, and your wife happens to see it. This
Right.
is for Santa.
My wife would laugh and laugh. Which idiot girl would send you a message like that? First of all, that would be her reaction. Oh. And first she would say, so how old is she? 80? Yeah, Miss you, Janu. Because she might think my only female fans are under 8 or over 80.
But you have to talk like Santa, sir.
Oh,
You have to imagine like Santa.
मेरी भी बोलेगी कि मतलब
You have to imagine yourself as Santa.
80 साल की होगी और क्या?
Banta, a friend asks you for a loan of rupees 10,000, but you're not sure if he'll ever return the amount.
I think Banta would typically say something like आप पैसे के साथ क्या करोगी जी? आप अलोन ही बैठोगे पैसों के साथ. मेरे पास अलोन है, आप भी अलोन है, आप पैसों के साथ बैठो. I don't think Banta has 10,000 rupees. Just by the way.
Not bad.
Not at all.
Not bad, sir. But you need to seriously.
Most of his answers are not bad.
Yeah.
Never good.
Now for Santa, you want to go home, but your friend wants to drag you to the nearest bar for a couple of rounds of Patiala peg. What will Santa do?
प्रॉब्लम क्या है? लेट्स गो. मतलब क्यों ड्रैग क्यों करना है? वी शुड गो ओनली ना.
Right. Okay.
मतलब आपको प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है? कोई फ्रेंड बोलेगा पटियाला पैक की
आपको डिसाइड करना है सर.
कॉल आप में से मैं आ रहा हूँ रात को 12 मैं कम लेट एट नाइट. और क्या उसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
जी. Okay.
फ्रेंड को कभी नाराज नहीं करना चाहिए.
All right, for Banta,
Ji.
your plane is about to take off and you are talking on the phone with someone. The air hostess asks you to switch off the phone or put it on flight mode. What will Banta do?
I think if Banta was talking on a phone in a plane, he'd probably have a landline on a plane. I don't think Banta has a mobile phone either. So he'd probably unplug the cord and say, AC को बांध देता हूँ जी मेरा सीट बेल्ट भी बन जाएगा और मेरे को no don't interrupt now that was my this thing.
Sir, this was pretty good.
It was pretty good.
Imaginative.
Sir, Faridun is impressed. Sir,
Imaginative.
Fardun, you were impressed with that answer.
This is imaginative.
I am really
From Banta's
Abhi
point of view.
I'm really worried about it.
Banta's point of view. From Banta's point of view. I'm saying entirely the IQ of Banta.
Yeah.
So entirely from that context.
But you're mistaken. Santa Banta's IQ is not low, just by the way.
मतलब from what we see from the promo, we have not seen the film, so we are just gathering from
Okay.
primary. जिस तरीके से 1000 रुपए को वो डिवाइड कर रहे थे तो थोड़ा सा मतलब we are just gauging from that. You were caught traveling ticketless in first AC compartment of Rajdhani Express. So
Right.
what will Santa do?
What would Santa do? Rajdhani Express.
Right.
Got ticketless.
sir, I am in the plane. You are taking the train. I don't know why.
तो मैं यही बोलता मैं ट्रेन में हूँ. मैं समझा मैं फ्लाइट से जा रहा हूँ. सॉरी यार मेरे पास फ्लाइट की टिकट है.
Your girlfriend complains that you snore a lot at night. reaction.
आप कहीं और सो जाओ जी जो मैं सोते वक्त करता हूँ मैं कैसे कंट्रोल कर पाता हूँ? आप कुछ या तो करो या फिर कंप्लेन करना बंद कर दीजिए, अपने आप सो जाइए दूसरे घर में।
वो मुझे दे दो यार,
ये
मेरे को price
और ये
दे दो।
बॉलीवुड हंगामा के हेडफोन्स आप लगा लो जी और आप सो जाओ आराम से, मेरे खराटे मेरे।
Santa, you and your wife eat a heavy dinner at an upscale restaurant and then you realize that you are not carrying your wallet.
वो तो हर रोज वैसे भी करता हूँ मैं तो हर रोज ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम है, सचमुच में मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये मेरा हर रोज का प्रॉब्लम है। आई गो और वॉलेट भूल जाता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम सर, सोना सो नाइस ऑफ यू टू कम एंड हो जाता है, नो प्रॉब्लम।
I don't have a wallet. You've seen
ये
me
तो
check
मेरा
it.
इट्स माय टेक्निक ओनली। अरे आई एम सो सॉरी, आई फॉरगॉट द वॉलेट, डोंट वरी सर, आई एम सो एम्बैरेस्ड, डोंट बी एम्बैरेस्ड सर, नो आई नो, आई प्रॉमिस, शैल आई कॉल टेल द ड्राइवर, नो 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 नो।
You have to reach also, I have to pat him.
मैं करता हूँ, बहुत परफॉर्मेंस करता हूँ।
This one is pretty good.
हाँ, it's good.
This you'll have to. Banta, you're about to go to watch a new Sunny Leone film, but your girlfriend asks you to meet her immediately. Your reaction like?
अरे जी देखो, मेरे को फिल्म जाके देखनी है जी, क्योंकि वो जो लड़का है ना सनी लियोनी के साथ थोड़ा जाना पहचाना सा लग रहा है, उसकी शक्ल मेरे उससे मिलती है थोड़ी सी,
अच्छा.
ये पास्ट रेफरेंस है, थोड़ा सटल था ये वाला। सर, आई कैन फील द आई कांटेक्ट कमिंग फ्रॉम द जजमेंट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम।
No, ये बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया।
हाँ।
He gave a very good answer. ना? He gave a very good answer.
कम ऑन ना फर्क।
Pardon?
Yeah.
Very good answer.
This you're strolling in the park. That is for Santa. When you suddenly come across Navjot Singh Sidhu.
We're strolling in the park, I see Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Considering he has this penchant for.
I think give him the thing. I think I have no answer. मेरे पास कोई जवाब ही नहीं है। नवाज सिंह के सामने मैं बोलूं क्या? तो हार गया ना मैं। मतलब मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता। नमस्ते पाजी, उससे ज्यादा क्या बोल सकता हूँ? Then you stop. So you give him the prize because मेरे पास कोई जवाब ही नहीं है। नवजोत के लिए भी नहीं, सिंह सिद्धू के लिए, आपके लिए भी नहीं। I concede, sir.
And why is Sherry Paji in the park? Just
Why is Sherry? क्या? What is he doing? Park में क्या कर रहा है?
He's out for a walk actually. He's out for a walk.
He never goes for a walk.
He definitely goes for a walk. He's written it as well in an article that he likes
He
to.
said it in a shayari form.
He has
or
given.
just said the
No.
park
He
is
has. He has mentioned
Walking
that
in the
very
park,
exactly.
he didn't say some long-
He likes to go for walks and everything. He has mentioned that.
a walk in the park is like a pigeon in the forest.
Yeah. So that would happen. So I think मेरे ख्याल से sir, we'll have to give it to Veer Das if you don't mind.
Well, life is full of injustices.
So we'll have to give it to Veer Das. So
Paji, I'll
congratulations.
share this with you, I promise. One year you can take 1 year.
You please keep it, be happy, and you'll only hear bad words coming out of it. उसमें कोई लगता नहीं है iPod, सिर्फ गाली का अंदर।
No, it looks very good. Thank you.